Hello guys, in today's class we will learn everything about a system.out.println. From so many days we are writing a system.out.println. What is the meaning of that statement? Why we use the system.out.println? We will cover everything about a system.out.println. So this is my Eclipse IDE. I created here one project. The project name is a project one. Here is a source. Source in source. I created one package. The package name is a com.ganesh.test. In upcoming classes, I will cover about what is a package, how many types we can define package, and why we write a com.ganesh.test, why we can't write the test dot. So everything we will learn. Why com is first. So don't worry about this. Just focus. I created here test.java one class. So public is class public class test. Okay. Here is the main method. When you write main, control space, then enter. Eclipse IDE provides a suggestion to us to simplify our developments. So here I will write system.out.println. If you write directly sysout, control space, then also good. It's a Ganesh. Control Alt or directly F11. Output console will open. This is a Ganesh. Okay. Till this point, you have idea about a system.out.println. It is used for printing a data on the console. Okay. So in Java, for example, I want to find the length of a string. Then string str equal to Ganesh. If I write this static, then I want to find the length of this string. This is a string. How I can find? Directly write system.out.println sysout. Okay. Here str.length. This is the method. If I compile or if I run this code, then we will get any error or not? No. Why? This is a static and this is a present in the same class. Okay. Can I write like this? s.str.length. Okay. Why we access string variable with class name? This is a class name. Why? Because it is a static. A static data we can access with a class name, object name, or directly if it is available in the same class. Okay. So you understand? String str is a static variable. That's why I access str variable with class name. After that, length. Length is a what is a length? Length is a non-static method. Non-static method. See here guys, I will open declaration of a length method. Length is available in which class? Length is available in the string class. Yes or no? Length variable is a public static. Directly we can see length. Where is the length? Okay. This is the length. This is the length method definition, which is available in the string class. Okay. If I want to find a length of a string, then I'm writing a test.str.length. Correct. But this str variable is available in the same class, or I'm accessing with a class name, and length is a non-static method. We understand? Like this, we are writing a system.out.println. I will compare system.out.println to this code. System.out.println. So test is a class. Like this, system is a predefined class that is available in the java.lang package. If you want to know more about the system class, then just go control and click system class. Hold the control key. Then system class is available in the since 1.1 version, 1.0 version in Java. System is a predefined class that is available in the java.lang package. Okay. There are three public static final variables are available in the system class. When we take an input from the user with the help of a scanner class, then we write a system.in. This is just also static. That's why we are accessing this variable with a system name, means class name. Okay, this is a regular. We are using a system.out.println. So this is a static variable. That's why we are accessing with class name. That's why I written here system.out. I hope you are understanding. This is a system class. Out is a static variable. That's why we are accessing out variable with a class name. I hope you are understanding. Then there is one another variable is available in Java in system class, which is also static. We can access this variable with class name. I will write system. Okay. System.arr. What is the use of ARR? This out again. This out. I will write here ARR. Okay. When I write a system.out.println, the meaning is it is a use for to print the data on a console. That is a text data or any data that is available in the double quotes. Okay. When I write ARR, it has some special meaning. It is a use for displaying some messages or warnings to user. If I write Ganesh, if I write here Java by Ganesh, then I run this code. Okay, 2 minutes. See here, Ganesh came in red color. Why in red color? This is a 6. Show console. Where is console? Okay. Show view console. Okay. 6 is the output of this line. Java by Ganesh is this out.println Ganesh. Why Ganesh came in red line, red color? Because it is used for the printing a error message. System.arr.println. Okay. So remember, system is a predefined class that is available in the Java, java.lang package. And in that, there are 3 variables, public static final variables are available. First one is a dot in, out, and arr. I proved these 3 variables practically: public static final in, public static final out, public static final string arr. Okay. Then println. What about a println? Okay. What about a println? This out. Println is a non-static method. Println is a non-static method that is available in the print stream class. Print stream class. See here, guys. The class name is. This is the internal documentation of a Java language. The class name is a print stream. Okay. Print stream is a predefined class that is available in the java.io package. Print stream is a predefined class that is available in the java.io package and which contain println method. Println, so many println methods. That methods overload. See here is a boolean, here is a char, int. Println method is a overload methods that is available in the print stream class. This variable is a type of print stream. See here, this is a print stream type variable. That's why we are accessing print stream class methods with out variable. Are you understanding? Yes. System.out.println. I hope you are understood about the system.out.println. If you are not using Eclipse, then I will tell you where system class is available in normal our this PC or in our program files. Where is these all packages are available? I will tell you. I will open my internal PC. This is C program files. Here is a Java JDK22 bin, not bin, lib source java.base. There Java. This is the packages. Lang package. Lang package contain system class system. See, this is a system class. Print stream class. Print stream is available in the java.io. Yes or no? Print stream. See, this is a print stream class that is available in the java.io package. I hope you all understood about the system.out.println. In next class, I will tell you about what is the difference between the print method and println method. If I write here system.out.println, if I remove ln, then what is the difference? So this is all about a system.out.println. If you are not understand, then comment me. I will tell you again, and each and every point I will cover. I will provide a notes to my Telegram channel. Just uh, go in description, click on Telegram group channel. Then you will see all the notes. So bye bye everyone. Keep learning, keep growing.